Hello, Coach Ruben here. Let's talk about soda. Yeah. A few years ago, I had a client that I asked her about her hydration because hydration is critically important for our health. And I asked her how many glasses of water a day that she drank. And she said 0. 0? So what do you drink? She said about 10 to 12 cans of diet soda a day. Diet Cola. Oh my. So I'm going to explain to you now what I explained to her about soda. So the thing about soda most of us don't realize is the chemistry of soda. So I taught chemistry years ago to high school students. I was a substitute teacher, and one day I was teaching acid-base chemistry, and it was pretty cool. So acid plus base leads to a violent one-way reaction and creates water plus, I'll tell you in a minute. So I did this with the students, and I put a beaker of water out there with a little bit of water, and I put white vinegar, and then I put baking soda. Okay, white vinegar is the acid, baking soda is the base. Put it into the beaker, stirred it up, violent volcano. Okay, an immediate reaction, one way. And then I said, okay, and then I poured it out in a couple of glasses, and I had a couple students taste it, and they go, ugh, it's bitter, really salty. Because what's happening? And I helped them to understand the chemistry that when you put an acid and a base together, you create a salt water solution. Salt plus water. Now, they said, oh, that's horrible. And I said, well, let's just try something here. So I added some sugar. And then I added some lemon. I added some ice, stirred it around, poured it out. A couple of the students tasted it and they go, oh, that's really good. It tastes just like Sprite. And I said, guess how they make it? So what's at the foundation of a soda is an acid-base reaction, which means we're creating a salt water solution. So would it be a good idea or a bad idea if you were stranded out in the ocean to be starting to drink the water out of the ocean? Almost everybody says it's going to be a bad idea. Why? Because if you keep drinking the salt water, eventually you'll get so dehydrated that it will dehydrate your brain and could kill you. The British came up with a name for the sailors who were stupid enough to have drunk the water and they were still alive when they rescued them. And they came up with the name delirium. The name delirium comes from the case of deliriousness that they had when they were in the water drinking the salt water. My friends, salt water dehydrates the brain and causes delirium, causes insanity. So I hope that was enough information to help sway you to stop drinking soda.